Yeah, okay.
Right, we're now looking at the rye loaf. I've had a little sneak preview under here and it has gone mental. So this is one of these things where you're seeing not the professional, this is how it's all done nice and smoothly. This is real baking in action, how to cope with a small crisis. So, as you see, it's gone mental. This was the proving stage when what we were expecting to see is a sort of nicely bubbled, slightly cracked surface. But in fact, it's really bubbled up nicely. Probably, when I next redo this, I'm not going to put yeast in here in the proving stage. So we're going to just whop that on the baking sheet and I'm going to put that in the oven. Now I'm going to bake that for probably about an hour because it's got quite a high moisture content it'll manage for an hour. So again, on a domestic oven you probably want to preheat to 50 degrees Celsius. Whack in your loaf and then turn the temperature down to about 200, 220, something like that, and bake it probably for about 45 minutes. But you just experiment with that. All right, let's see how we go with this one. So now we're going to pop that in the oven, slightly higher, so it's slightly warmer than it went in before for the wheat. And we'll give that a good 45 minutes to check it, but I imagine that's going to take about an hour to bake. Okay, so after 45 minutes, that has come out of the oven looking fairly well baked. And what we need to do now is to get it out of the tin. So again, it can cool with plenty of air circulating around it so you don't get moisture trapped inside it, because remember, that's baked in a loaf tin. So we've extricated that from the tin now and also taken away the loaf liner, which you remember I put the loaf tin liner, which you remember I put in there, so that then you can get you can get air circulating all around, which will let the moisture escape from the loaf. So that's going to be that is a nice rye loaf. It'll be very sour and particularly delicious, really good with cream cheese and fish, for example, as a sandwich, or cheese. Absolutely gorgeous. So I hope you make that, hope you have success, and hope you enjoy. Just show you this. When the rye loaf went a bit mental and wild during the proving stage, it spilled over a fair amount of bread dough onto the work surface below. I scooped all that up. There was enough to sort of shape into a wee shape, and I baked a roll on with that. So just dusted that with flour to make it easy to handle, and slammed it in the oven for about 15 minutes, and there you go. You get an additional little roll out of that exercise.